Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the exact file and tools you need. Identify the recording format and make a backup copy so you can revert if anything breaks. Install a capable video editor or a dedicated watermark remover and open the copied file. This prevents data loss. Once done, inspect the watermark. Is it a static logo, timestamp, or animated overlay? That determines the method you'll use next, so take note and choose masking, cropping, or inpainting accordingly. Now you get into the detailed editing. If the watermark sits at an edge, crop or scale slightly to remove it while keeping composition acceptable. For central or semi-transparent marks, apply a localized blur or clone stamp, or use AI inpaint tools to reconstruct pixels. Adjust strength gradually to avoid artifacts. For animated watermarks, track the watermark motion and animate a mask or clone along its path using keyframes. Make sure to preview frame by frame to catch inconsistencies and preserve video quality. Finish by exporting with the original codec and bitrate to prevent unnecessary quality loss. Review the full video, checking for visual artifacts, edge halos, or audio sync shifts. Render short test clips at high quality to validate changes. If you see noticeable flaws, revert to your backup and try a different approach, cropping versus inpainting, or a higher quality tracking algorithm. One key troubleshooting tip: if artifacts persist, reduce edit intensity and blend multiple subtle fixes rather than a single aggressive filter to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.